You must have heard about the data science, data analysis, and data visualization course, as all of these are too much in demand. Do you want to be a data analyst, data scientist, or a Power BI developer? If yes, then you are at the right place. Hi everyone, I am Manika. I welcome you all. I welcome you all here. I'm going to tell you what BI is, what are the various BI tools available in the market, what are the advantages of Power BI, why organizations are looking to onboard BI professional in these days. But prior to answer these questions, let me tell you for whom this course is. You can easily learn Power BI even if you are not good in maths and coding. Whether you are a fresher or working in any domain, this course would be helpful for all of you. You can get salary hike, promotions, better job opportunities after completing this course. By the way, there is no prerequisites to learn Power BI. Even if you are not good in Excel, you can easily learn Power BI. Before starting Power BI, let me tell you what BI is. Basically, it refers to the technologies, tools, and processes that helps organizations to identify trends and take better business decisions. So, this is helpful for all the business organizations. Power BI is one of the most powerful and trending BI tool available in the market. Most of the famous organizations, you must have heard about these names: Microsoft, IBM, Dell, and Wipro, etc., are using BI, Power BI. Why most of the organizations are using Power BI? The reason behind it is it has 1200 plus functions. It has 280 plus visualizations. When I say visualizations, means charts, graphs, and it also has 100 plus data connectivity sources. When I say data connectivity resources, it means you can directly load your data from any Excel file, from any SQL server, or from any cloud. You can directly pull your data from web as well. So very accurate Power BI is. It has very user friendly interface. One can easily learn Power BI without any coding. You need not to code in Power BI. Power BI itself will do the coding. Everything is automated here. In other words, it is used to convert raw data into actionable insights. We can create interactive dashboards in Power BI. We can create reports, visualizations easily in Power BI. Any kind of analysis, for example, sales analysis, revenue analysis, human resource analysis, monitoring, financial performance monitoring can be easily done with Power BI. If we talk about history of Power BI, so it started around 2014. It's been more than 10 years organizations are using Power BI. Earlier, it was not in that much demand. Earlier, it was a addition in Excel only, but later on, it became a separate tool. Power BI has 6 main components, as you can see on the screen: Power Query, Power Pivot, Power Map, Power Q&A, and Power View and Power BI Desktop. Let me start from Power Query. Power Query, Power Query is the main tool in Power BI which is used to ETL. When I say ETL, it means extract, transform, and load data. It is also known as kitchen of Power BI, because you prepare your data, you make your data ready for the visualization in Power Query editor only. Power Pivot. Power Pivot is used for data modeling. It is also known as calculation engine. Power Map, as the name suggests, it is used for 3D visualizations based on the city, country, state. And Power Q&A. Q&A is basically to answer all the queries. If you do not want, if you are not familiar with Power BI, but you want to know what is the maximum sale, what is the maximum profit, you can easily go use this feature of Power BI. You can simply click on Q&A and you can write your question and you will get the result. You will get the answer. You need not to do anything in Power BI. You just need to write your question and you will get your answer. For example, you want to know the maximum sales, you will get the sales. Power View. Power View, as the name suggests, view. It is used for it is useful for filtering the data. Means you can apply filters on your visualizations and view the appropriate data. Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is used for report creation. It has standards plus complex every kind of charts in Power BI Desktop. You need not to worry about all these components. There are three main components which you need to worry about, that are Power BI Desktop, Power Query Editor, and one more is Power BI Service, which I have not explained till now. I will explain that later on. But prior to that, let me tell you the advantages of Power BI. As I have already explained, you can easily connect multiple data from multiple resources in Power BI. There is not that much cost of Power BI. You can easily you can use Power BI free of cost. And you can buy the subscription as well if you are if you have an organization. You can easily open any Power BI in your mobile, Android and iOS. You can easily integrate your data from various resources in your Power BI. You can integrate all the tables. If there are advantages, there are few disadvantages of Power BI as well. There is a limit of data, and it is not working in with iOS, and there are few disadvantages as well. Now let me show you the interface of Power BI. Power BI Desktop, Power Query Editor, and Power BI Services. So you can get familiar with how Power BI looks like. So this is the first screen. Okay, let me open Power BI and show you how Power BI looks like. So what I will do is I'll go to my search and I'll click on Power BI. Power BI is getting loaded. It will take few seconds to load. So this is the first screen which will come in front of you whenever you will click on Power BI. So always you will click on blank report if you want to create a visualization. This is the interface of Power BI Desktop. As you can see here, you can create your visualizations here. You can get data. You can load your data from, as I have explained, from Excel, from SQL, from web, from CSV, from blank query. You can load your data from anywhere. Wherever your data is, you can directly pull that data into Power BI. So you can see in the right side there are few charts. You can use these charts to create the visualization. But before jumping into visualization, we need to clean the data. And for cleaning the data, we have Power Query Editor. To go to Power Query Editor, we just need to go to Transform Data. When you will click on Transform Data, Power Query Editor will open automatically. So this is the screen of Power Query Editor. Here you can load your data here as well. You can load your data directly to Power BI Desktop as well, and then you can come to the transform. Otherwise, you can directly load your data from here as well. You can enter your data. If you are clicking on enter your data, you can enter your data on which you want to create the visualization. So this is the Power Query Editor. Here you will do the ETL process. You will extract data, you will transform data, and you will load your data. And after loading your data, you will go to the Power BI Desktop and you will apply DAX and you will create the visualizations. And then in last, you will upload the dashboard. To uploading the dashboard, you will use Power BI Service. Let me show you how Power BI Service looks like. So for that, you need to go to Google. By the way, you can open Power BI Service from Power BI Desktop as well. You just need to create After creating a dashboard, you just need to click publish, because Power BI service is used to share that particular file so that anyone can get access that file from anywhere. But right now it is not getting populated as I have not created anything. So that's why I'm showing you Power BI service from the Google only. So let me show you how Power BI service interface looks like. So you just need to type app.powerbi.com. It will bring you to the Power BI service. Give me 1 minute. Let me try it again. app.powerbi.com. So Power BI service is coming. Meanwhile, let me show you one dashboard. See, this is a dashboard. It has various visualizations. These are known as tiles. So you can say you can easily check gross sales, sum of profit directly. You need not to scroll your scroller. You can easily judge how the things are working. So it is a single page story. You can create the dashboard easily by using Power BI desktop, and then you can share this. Power BI service it is not opening. Okay, let me show you Power BI service from here only. So see, I'm ready with the visualization. So publish is getting populated. It will ask you to save the changes. I have saved all the changes. It is asking you to publish to Power BI. So this report will get published into my workspace, and I will give the access to the person to whom I want to share this report. It will take few seconds. Now it got published. I'll open this report in Power BI service. It will take few seconds. So this is how the Power BI service interface looks like. See, my workspace, you can see I have uploaded these dashboards. In my workspace, I have all the files, all the dashboards which I have created. In the last, I would like to show you the curriculum of this course so that you can have some idea that how much time this course is going to be take. So it's around 2 months. See what exactly we will cover in this course. So we will begin with what is Power BI. Then we will learn all the components as I have already explained, but we will learn all these components in detail. Then after that, we will learn how to import data, how to clean data, how to merge data, how to append queries. M language is a Power BI language, but don't worry, you need not to do the coding. You just need to learn what M language is. Power BI is using this M language. We will learn data modeling means to combine various tables. We will learn all the DAX. DAX means data analysis expressions which are used for calculations. We will learn all the DAX function. We will learn how to create the visualization, how to create the various chart, which chart is useful in which situation. We will learn to create interactive dashboards. We will do various kinds of analysis, and in the last we will do what is gateway, what is row level security, what are bookmarks. These are some standard features of Power BI. We will learn all these features in the last, and obviously we will learn and we will create few dashboards just for practice purpose. That's all from my end. Bye bye. See you in my session.